Da 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 da. What up, guys? Yo, back at it again. But yo, guys, I've been gone for a couple months now. Reason being is because man's been going through some shit, you know. So what happened was I lost my program on my computer. My computer was acting up a little bit, so it was pretty slow. So a genius being me decided to freaking delete the program, and I called Apple, like, you know, I was like, yo, if I delete my program, am I gonna get it back? They're like, yeah, like, oh, no big deal. Like, yo, you just go on your Apple ID and you get back your program. I'm like, I bet, so let's. So two twos, man, you know, delete the whole thing, restarted the computer, and I was like, alright, let me get back my program. Nah, nigga, program was gone. And me being a genius couldn't figure out what my Apple ID was, because I had like maybe 2 or 3 Apple IDs. So I don't know which one I used to download the program, and I couldn't figure out my Apple ID. So there you go, lost the program. I paid 5 bills for that shit, you know what I mean? The program was Final Cut Pro, pay 5 bills for that. So man's trying to get a new program to, like, you know, do some more uploads and shit. So but it is what it is, you know. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna try to see if I can get another program. But anyway, so what's been going on lately? So if you're new to this channel, behind me is my 2014 Audi RS5, and over here it's my 2013 Ford Fusion. So like I said, what's been going on is, it's pretty sad, but shit happens, you know what I mean? So behind me, my car actually, one of my tires popped, so I had like a bubble, you know. So that bubble occurred like maybe, let's say, 3-4 months ago. But anyway, so that's when I did my wrap. Like, I did the wrap, then changed the rims on the car, and that's pretty much, prior to that, that's when the bubble happened. So after that, got that, so I was like, you know what, ain't no big deal, I'm gonna wait next year, cop new tires, put it on, you know, say less. But nah, niggas. So obviously that didn't happen. So what I have to do now is, my tire actually popped, and this happened on Friday, so it happened about 3 days ago. So this happened in Scarborough, and me being a genius, like, I was like, you know, fuck this, I'm gonna just drive, get as close as I can to my house, and then, you know, get it towing from there. So I do have CAA, so mans was super tired, and I was like, you know what, so yeah, like I was saying, so mans called CAA, 2 twos, you know. I was probably about 10 minutes away from my cribbo, you know. So called CAA, towed the car to my cribbo, and then obviously I can't really show you the driveway because, you know, it's pretty white out here, so you wouldn't see shit on it. But before, I had like my tires on the asphalt. So but anyways, so that's that. So man's been calling, like, you know, for the last couple days to figure out if how cheap I can get tires for, because I'm gonna be storing the car for the winter. So I just needed a couple more drives. I have to get the car ceramic coated, so I just need a couple more drives out of it. So I was thinking of getting winters, but obviously I don't think it makes sense getting winters if I'm only gonna drive it maybe 3 to 5 times before putting it away in the garage. So I'm gonna be getting all seasons Continental Extreme Contact. So that's what I'm gonna be getting. Hella expensive, you know. So I'm gonna be getting that. So I did call a couple shops, called Audi. So prices were kind of similar, but obviously I can't drive the car, I'm gonna have to get it towed to a garage. So I found a shop that do like a mobile fixing kind of thing, you know what I mean? So they're supposed to come here. Right now it's 1:33 p.m. Eastern time. They were supposed to be here for 1, and it's hella cold out here, so I came out two trying to see, if they're gonna be here or give me a call. So I just found out that the guy's generator of his car just broke down. So this probably might have to reschedule again for probably the next day. But my car has been sitting, on rims for the last 3 days now. And if they don't fix it today, it's gonna be 4 days. So I just hope nothing happens to the rims, and it's safe out here, and I can don't spend any more money on the rims. And the tires, yeah, they're expensive for the Continental Extreme Contact. So I have to, obviously, since it's a Quattro, I have to change all 4 tires. And even if it wasn't a Quattro, I have summer tires on, and one of that is between 6 to 9 bills per tire. Like, take it in. So I'm gonna show you what the car looks like just now. And yeah, it's pretty messed up, but shit happens. You make money, spend money, it is what it is. But let me show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted, and hopefully my computer don't mash up, so I can actually get getting back in posting. You feel me? So like but yeah, let me show you up one time, and I'm gonna keep you posted. Alright, yalla, ka. Alright, so yeah, it is. So the car looks pretty dirty. It is what it is. Whatever. It's winter. I'm gonna get it clean. So yeah, that's what the tire looks like. It's all mashed up. Alright, I just hope I have no damages on this. So I'm gonna try to get in there, see where I'm going. So there you go. You just only see like the tire tread on the rims, but from the look of it, I don't think there's any damage on that. Yo, hold up, yo. That's my tire company calling. Like I was saying, the only worry that I have, it's probably a year, but no, actually that looks okay. I mean, these are brand new rims, you feel me? So like, I just hope, like, it's just the tires that's on it, like just a little scuff. Like, damn, this got really fucked up. Like, it's all mashed up, Shish. But yeah, yo, so that's what it is. Once the guy come here, and shit. And I think I had a little piece that came off. Me being a dumbass, and it smells like shit. Okay. Phew. That's good. But yo, lesson learned, like yo, if you have a mashed up tire, like if your tire popped, best thing to do is just probably get towing and save yourself some damages. I just hope my car is intact and we're good, you know what I mean? So, and over here I do have, this is my stock exhaust from my Fusion, okay? And man's got his fishing rod on deck. So I have my stock exhaust, and I have my resonator, like down here, my resonator. I don't know what to do with those. Like, I don't know if I should take it to a scrapyard. I'm gonna get some money out of it. I don't know, or sell it. I have no idea. I mean, if you have any idea, down in the comment below. But so the guy's gonna be coming. Good news. So they should be coming here within half an hour, 45 minutes or so. Hopefully get this fixed, and everything should be good. Like finger crossed on God. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated. Alright, yalla. Yo guys, so it's gonna be a luck of thing right now, you know. Man's done doing the tires. I have the Continental Extreme Contact done, just right there. I'm at my boy's scrape, Trey Songs, you feel me? Shit, I'm stepping on snow. So so far the tires, I don't know, it's all seasons. And we do have snow out here, you know, out here in the east, and it's pretty cold. It's about maybe minus 6 degrees or so, you know, but yeah, it's what it looks like. So that's the tires that got mashed up. So I don't know, I just hope everything is all cool with it, but I'm definitely gonna need to clean my car, and I hope this is gonna be safe for the main, you know, for the time being. So yeah, anyways, this is a luck of thing. Man's about to go do a video shoot, a music video shoot, so you know, yeah, I get a rep, feel me? Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, hit that notification bell. It's good to be back. You know, I'm gonna try to put out more content, you know what I mean? Ayo, yalla.